So hi guys, and welcome to the video. So yeah, I had a big crash. My Sherco flight like rocket. So I broken this kill switch. Also the handlebar is bent. This is the Renthal Twinwall 997, so it's really strong. It's not super bent, it's okay for riding, but you can see this bar is broken. Also when I go downhill I hear some noises from the handlebar, so I'm really scared because it's double tube. Maybe the inside tube is broken, so when I go fast downhill it can just snap and I'm going to fly and maybe die. So I'm going to show you the sound, what it's making on downhill. Yeah, this side is stable and this side of the handlebar is moving, so I'm not sure is this from this part sound or from the inside. So I'm going to remove this handlebar. Also it's good time for the new grips. I have 100 hours on these grips, so yeah, all the grips the best ones. So I'm going to remove this handlebar and install the new one. So let's go. So yeah, this is the Twinwall 997, so it's bent, but yeah, nothing serious. So I'm going to check how much it is bent. So for this step you need flat ground. Yeah, it's bent maybe 1 centimeter. It's like this. So yeah, I'm going to use this handlebar from, oh no, I'm going to use this one. It's from my KTM, so I'm going to check the height. So yeah, it's lower than the Twinwall, but it's going to be useful. And this Sherco is lower from this handlebar, so this like medium. So I'm going to try it and I'm going to tell you the difference. So let's go. So I'm testing the handlebar. It's really strange now. I can feel this handlebar is like shorter, like this, and it's like on the front, so I don't know why. Maybe I turn it too much on the front, but it's looking like really different bend. So I'm going to test it and then I'm going to adjust the handlebar position. So let's go. So the handlebar is feeling really nice on the bike, but I need to pull it back towards my body because I don't like this position. I have feeling my weight is just on the front wheel, so it's good for the standing and turning the bike, but for sitting it's not good. So to do this you need just 10 tool. Loosen the bolts. Make sure you know the old settings. So now it's in the middle. I need to do it more. Too much. So I'm going to test this. I hope it's going to work. If not, I'm getting the new Twinwall 997 for my bike. It's not a good idea to not using the pad, but I'm going first to test it to see the difference, and then I'm going to put the pad. So let's go. Yeah, it's much better now. So you look small difference, but it's making huge difference in riding. So I like it. My body is more to the back. I have better control, so I'm going to test it more. So yeah, I'm really happy with this now, but I'm going to lean it more to the back to see the difference. So this was the plus for me, and now I'm going to test it more. So it's nice to have the tools in the bag so you can test the different settings. I think this is too much, but you never know what is going to work for you. So I'm not sure what to tell you, but it's not good control. You have it, but it's not stable like that first setting. So let's go back. Opa. Nice crash. Oh, but luckily the bike didn't hit me. Oh my god. So I'm not sure, can you see, but my speedometer is broken. Yeah, it's okay. I flew over the handlebar. Luckily nothing happened to me, so it's okay. Let's go. Oh. Oh, shit happens. So let's go home.